An amazing physiotherapy career awaits you in Australia. And guess what? You don't need to take any registration exams such as Australian Physiotherapy Council assessments to do so. Want to know how? Watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shah, your host, and welcome to Academically. Today we will discuss about the easiest pathway to become a physiotherapist in Australia by passing all the exams and through any easy registration process. This process begins with the registration in the United Kingdom and takes you through a pathway involving registration in New Zealand. But don't fret, it's not as difficult as you think. But before I tell you about this easy and amazing pathway, here is a personal appeal. We are continuously working hard to create exclusive and informational videos just for you, and we need your support in terms of subscription. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue with this mutually beneficial relationship of ours. So let's begin. So if you're already registered in the UK, there is a good news for you, as you don't need any exam to migrate and set up your practice in Australia. However, if you're not registered in the UK, don't worry. You can easily get registered with the Health and Care Professions Council in the UK if you have a valid physiotherapy degree and around 2 years of experience in the relevant field. Watch our video how to get registered with the HCPC to know more about the registration process. Once you are registered in the UK, you don't need to spend too much time practicing in the UK waiting for the right time to make the next move. You can also choose to stay in the UK, but if the Australian dreams excites you more, the next step for you is to move to New Zealand through the International Express pathway. This pathway allows physiotherapists from the UK and a few other countries move their practice to New Zealand without having to follow any lengthy process or taking any exam. Now, once you are registered in the New Zealand, the path to settling in Australia is super duper easy for you with the Tasman Mutual Recognition pathway. With this pathway, Australian healthcare professionals can register and work in New Zealand and vice versa without having to take any separate examination. So, this way you can get registered in Australia by routing your registration process through the UK, making a stop at New Zealand and finally landing in Australia. This pathway can open up an ocean of opportunities for you as a physiotherapist. Still have doubts or any queries or questions about this pathway? Book a free 101 counseling session with our experts at Academically today by visiting our website www.academically.com. At Academically, we help physiotherapists build career in the United Kingdom, Australia and New Zealand. We have exclusive courses for other healthcare professionals too to help them migrate and settle and practice overseas. Explore our range of courses on our website and make the first move in your overseas registration journey. So that was all for today. We hope this information can be beneficial for your overseas migration journey. And yes, if you liked our video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so all the updates are on your way every time we post anything. Thank you for watching. This is Sunidhi Shah signing off.